So we found out about Butcher Box the other day, and we went there and we figured with this coronavirus thing going on, we didn't want to go to the grocery store. So we signed up for Butcher Box, and it was we got this one for 149 bucks, and this is all the stuff that we got with it. Ground beef, sirloin, breakfast, sausage, ribeyes, chicken, bacon, and then they gave us a free ground beef for life, 2 1 pound packs. So that's like as long as we have this subscription. I think it's 150 bucks a month. We have just me and my wife and our baby. She's not eating anything any meat yet, but I figure this is probably a pretty good deal. We put the order through. We just got it today, and I think it took like 4 or 5 days, really quick. And then we just opened it up. Everything was in there. It looked good. It was cold. It was frozen. We made a little video showing us opening the box. And you also get this thing with Butcher Box where if you sign up, they let you actually refer people, and then they give you money back. And it's pretty cool because I just posted it up on our Facebook, and I ended up getting some people that signed up for it, and we got 30 bucks back. But I think we got more back. But anyways, if you guys want to use our code, you're going to get, I think you get 30 bucks off, and we also get 30 bucks off. So it's a pretty good deal for everyone. So use this code I'm going to put in the description. So anyways, I think this is a good deal. If you guys want to check it out, get the 30 bucks off deal using our little code, and then you'll get 30 bucks off, and then you can pass that on to your friends and everyone else. So everybody wins. It's a good deal. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so we got a Butcher Box. Lauren is opening it up.
We're so hungry, we haven't eaten in days.
This is during the coronavirus.
Where we can't leave the house, so we're having meat delivered here. And
we ordered a Butcher Box. This box was $149. What is that, ice?
This is
dry ice.
Yeah, this is ice.
Ice. It keeps it cold.
Everything's frozen.
Okay. Bacon.
We got ground beef for the life of how long we're members of this, so that part was free, but we got some more because ground beef. This is pasture-raised pork sausage. We got
ribeyes.
Some good-looking ribeyes. And then we got top sirloin, 4 of them. And then we got the staple of chicken breasts.
That's it?
Fed for a while, that's it.
That's it? Like, it's all good stuff though, right?
It's all great stuff.
So it's supposed to be like healthier or something, or better?
It's healthy, it's all organic.
Organic.
No antibiotics.